The Smart Woodshop fam as a group, the collective knowledge continues to impress me. Case in point, Paul Libby. I featured a number of his videos here on this channel of his build out of this system and of different accessories and pieces that he's come up with or modifications that improve it.
I added these Rockler cam locks for locking down the fence. So when I was using the regular star nut, I would spin it to tighten it, and the nut or the bolt would just spin in the channel below. So I'd have to reach underneath, hold on to that, and tighten it. Now, all I have to do is pop these up, slide it into position, and clamp the cam locks down, and it's really solid.
The knob and bolt has worked well for me for a number of years. I have to admit that the bolt head will spin inside of the track, and so I have a system of pulling it up to kind of hold it tight and then turn the knob down. Not a big deal, but it does slow me down just a little bit, which means it's not as lean as it should be. Once the cams are installed and adjusted for the right friction, it's just a matter of popping them up, moving the fence around, and then locking them back down. And even when I'm doing the micro adjusts where I'm right out where I want to be, but I just need to move just a slight amount, I can just undo one and make that slight movement and lock it down. I picked up 4 sets of these PowerTech cam clamps, obviously 1 set for each of my fences, and then I grabbed a couple extra. They're not that expensive, and I know that I've got some other uses I'm thinking about for these. I will put an affiliate link to these in the description of this video down below. Paul, I really appreciate this efficiency tip, and I know the rest of the Smart Woodshop fam are going to appreciate it as well. Hey, if you've got an idea like Paul that will increase the efficiency of the Smart Woodshop system, don't hesitate to let me know. And if it's something that I think will work out, then I'll be happy to share that with the rest of the Smart Woodshop fam. Mahalo for hanging out with me in the Smart Woodshop.